Nobody really warned me about turning 60. Not my parents, not school, not society. They warned me about wrinkles, which I have many. They warned me about slowing down, which I don't want to. But nobody told me something surprising. Research across more than 70 countries shows that happiness often follows what scientists call a U-shaped curve. It dips in midlife and then, quite unexpectedly, it rises again later in life. Which means something powerful. Life after 60 might actually become one of the most meaningful chapters of your and my life. I've seen this in my own life. My father lost his job at 55. Many people would have seen that as the end. But he started a business and kept on working until almost the end of his life. My friend Zetty had an incredibly difficult childhood. Yet today she runs a beautiful dressmaking business. And I had to reinvent myself too. I used to be a competitive runner, but scoliosis forced me to stop. I started walking instead. Hated initially, but fell in love with it at the end. And slowly, I realized something. Life doesn't end when things change. Sometimes that's exactly when the next chapter begins. Turning 60 is not the end of your story. Sometimes it's the moment when your real story begins. Watch the full episode on thrive60.com. Thank you.